Hello, friends. First of all, a very good day to all. Friends, in this third phase of lockdown, I was having a cup of tea, so I thought I must share some couple of thoughts. Like me, friends, most of you would have good amount of free time, and no doubt you guys are optimally utilizing it. Friends, nowadays nearly the entire countries remain under the lockdown till 17 May 2020. In this time, airlines are grounded, trains are cancelled, and all those public transport is also cancelled. Except few essential services is being kept going on. And believe me, friends, this government action was very necessary. This resolve was very necessary in order to make this lockdown process successful. I know, friends, this is a very expensive exercise in terms of business, in terms of economy, in terms of people livelihood. But many problems are there. But all these problems are better than being dead. It is very important to be alive right now. We will get back the paces of our life back when this situation gets over. Friends, nowadays, I also strongly believe that this worldwide pandemic does not require any introduction. You guys has optimally knowing about it. Those terms being used now these days through these media platforms. So at one hand, where the lockdown drastically impacting and revenging the Indian businesses and economy, we are also experiencing the poor class of our society is facing even for their basic necessity of their life. So in this peculiar time, when the government is trying to fulfill its people expectations, one thing it is also we need to do is that we need to come out to assist at least one person of our society who are poor, and those who have capacity, those who have uh, qualified in terms of economy, in terms of capacity. So I request, please assist those people, those who are really required the basic necessity. They are fighting, who are really fighting for their basic life. At the same time, we also need to educate them about the government facilitation is being provided in terms of food, in terms of LPG, in terms of money is being credited in their bank accounts. And all of these in course of lockdown, country has supported. Mr. Prime Minister urged drastically, no doubt, friends. The maximum number of people have walked through the government guideline, but there are few people they did not understand the gravity of this problem, and that has resulted into the increment of positive coronavirus cases. One thing I am very happy to share with that is this time the environment was very fortunate, is was very able to restore its beauty that has been polluted, that has been made toxicated, contaminated by the other pollutant activity. So in this at this time I am very happy about this. But at the same time, friends, no doubt our police staff, our medical staff, and other department personals, they have took this opportunity to serve their people at the cost of their life. It's not a joke, friends. And they have proven their duty toward the nation. They have proven their accountability. They have proven their faith toward the nation. I'm very happy about it, and you guys also must show your gratitude to those people, friend. But it's also very important that what do we do? We do not allow people to die because of our irresponsible actions. Government is being continuously guiding you through the various platforms. People, they are guiding to the people so that they could not make a sense, and they could not make a mistake where people can get affected, and that make a sense, or that make a sense of making number of positive cases. So friends, we need to also understand that at the same time the economical activity should not stop 100%. today in this time of technology, the whole lot of things can be kept going on through the various platforms. I'm not saying it can be done 100%, but at least part of it can be going on. So what I suggest, let not panic, let not create distress, not create trouble for the people, because there are already so much trouble. Do not get worried, don't multiply the troubles. It is our responsibility to serve our people, to save our people, to save our life, and to save our society also. Now friends, now the whole lot of people complaining about it. What do we do at this time? Because we can't go for picnic, we can't go for restaurant, and we cannot do what we want right now out there. So what do we do at home? So nowadays what I suggest, uh, invest good amount of time to hone your lost skill. If you're liking singing, if you're liking playing guitar, any other musical instrument, so go for that. If you're liking drawing, craft, and doing painting, so go and do hone it, make it as a part of your daily routine, as a part of your hobby. It's a very good time, I believe, because this activity, this will help you in a multiple dimension of your life. And consequently friends, I suggest, as we all know, there is no medicine to kill this virus. All the health experts, all the reports are suggesting, make a keep distance, follow the social distancing processes, make hygiene respirations with you and your family, use soap, sanitizer, mask, as many as possible, as much as possible. Stay clean, stay healthy. Thank you very much.